Hi, my name is Matthew Dunn. I'm the founder of Despatch Cloud, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the benefits of using a WMS system within your business. What it's also going to do is give you much better stock control, which is good for both accounting purposes and end of year, but also for making sure you're not overselling and making sure that you are not having stock, which is ultimately money, tied up, sat on shelves that you're not utilizing to grow your business. With Despatch Cloud, all stock in the warehouse can be fed to your selling platforms. So for example, if you're selling on Amazon, eBay, maybe Shopify, we can sync that data to them platforms, and as stuff sells, it will adjust them levels to keep everything in sync. As you get a delivery, it will push that information to them channels automatically. So having the Despatch Cloud WMS system is not only going to give you a full overview of your warehouse in real time, but it's also going to give you the ability to ensure that your sales channels are always up to date with the stock that you have, and ensure that when you sell something, you have the stock to fulfill it and you know where it is.